So I have this here, which is already logged in. So I'll log out and then I'll re-log in again. So here we have the dashboard page where a seller can see what or how their store looks like, the total product, active listings, total views, and total sales. And down here we have quick actions where a seller can, add a product, edit profile, or go straight to community. So we are going to go next to the product listing page. Okay, so we'll have to start to talk a bit about the product listing page.
Okay, the product listing page fetches data from the backend API and displays it in a clean, responsive layout. Users can add new products by clicking the new product button. Existing products can be edited by selecting the edit button on the card. You can also delete a product by clicking the delete button. Products are shown in a grid cards. Each card includes the product image, the name, the description, the price, the stock count. This makes browsing products simple and visually clear. Our product listing page provides full CRUD functionality while keeping the user experience smooth.
Okay, so we have the product listing page here, which has just been spoken about by Sister T. We are going to demonstrate the functionality later on, but then we'll have Brother John also give us a little bit about the seller profile and how it's functions here.
Okay, this page lets a seller view and edit their profile, including business name, bio location, specialty, and profile. So we have some submitting form. So when a seller is filling this form, and if there is a missing information, there are some messages that will come out and saying that the seller profile was not found. Yeah, so yes, this is what we have done. Yeah, I think it's fine. Mm.
Okay, so we just had Brother John review our seller profile, and we are going to move up to the community page.
As a team, we work together to build this app. My part of presentation is to present the community of dashboard of this app. This part of the section show our global family and show the artisanal and the people connect beyond the app and how the app is connecting artisanal with customers. This part here highlights exactly that. In the community page, you'll find that we feather the artisanal from different regions. We are all around the globe, and then you find we do have here for Morocco, Tokyo, and we also have for Texas. It's not just all in one region, but it's all over the world. That's why we call it global family. We embrace value as wave of wage, and we pass traditional knowledge to the next generation on this artisanal handcraft web page. Voice of market. This part of the page is showcasing the testimony of the artisanal that we have and customer all around the world. from different region. And also here we have the subscription if you want to subscribe to our site. And also down here we have our info. In short, the community page celebrates the artisanal and the traditional and the impact that it brings to all the community. It's showing that our app is not just a marketplace platform, but is also a place to connect and build the connection and sustainability for one another. And here I also gonna show my grid hub to show my team grid hub, and down here you find in Read Media the name of people that collaborate in all this project along. And this is all the project that we did, and this all the part of my presentation.
Okay, so we have our website here, and I'm going to take it from this part to demonstrating the functionalities of every part of the website. So first of all, we first have our login page, which is also our sign up as well. So you can see we already have user information here where we can progress to sign in or sign out. So we have a login information here. I'm going to sign in, and I'm signing in as someone who is going to buy and not someone who is going to sell. So we have two options. After this process, I'm going to sign up so that we get to see how the sign up also works. Okay, so when we sign in, we get sent straight to the shop all product, which is the shop page. And then we can see the categories at the top here, where we have our sneaker, shoe, headwear, dress, and bag. And then we can see our products listed here. So let's say we wanted to see only sneakers. When we click on sneakers, we only get shown sneakers. Same with shoes, headwear, dress, and then bag as well. Now we want to navigate to the product where we can view other stuffs about the product. We want to go to, or let's say we click on this first product. So it loads and takes us to the details of that specific product. And we can see down here, there is some information about artisan, which Brother John said or reviewed previously. This information contains information about the seller. So Brother John reviewed the seller profile page where you get to update stuff about the seller, the store name and stuff like that. And here we can see the store name is Handbags. And then we have the location, Accra, and then speciality, what they specialize in, which is leatherworks, and a little description about the store, which says we sell all things fashion. Now we can add more than one item to cart here, which we can see. And then down here, a user can also leave a review. So I'm going to leave a review here. And we see the review is here. Same name as the name we used to log in, which is the user. So I'm going to go straight to the cart here. Sorry, let me go back to the shop, and here let me add product to cart, and we can see there's one product added to cart. When I go in here, and this won't automatically reflect because we've not added it to cart, so we've just added the quantity. But then when I add it to cart, it's going to add up to the number up there. So we can see I double click it and we have 10. We currently have 10 products here. So I'll go straight back to shop. And then that's it for the products. We've been able to see the product, the review, and also how we all come together in this particular page. I'll later on log in with an actual seller so that we can actually see the functionalities of what Brother John and my other team members took us through. We have a user who is actually a seller. So we are going to log into that account, and then we get directed to dashboard instead of the shop because this is a seller. So this is what you get met with first as a seller. And we can see the seller has a total product here of 8 active listings, total views, and total sales. And we have quick actions here as well: add product, edit profile, community. So we are first going to go to product listing, which is going to load up. This is where you can add a new product and edit a product. So first we have hand woven basket here. Let's edit it. So we can add one to this, update it, and we have hand woven basket 1, and we can delete it as well. So we can see the product does not exist anymore. We can come here to our seller profile, which John reviewed about, where you can change stuff about the seller and stuff like that, like the location. So I'll change the location to Kasoa and save it. So we see profile saved successfully. Profile saved successfully. So community has been reviewed and demonstrated by one of the team members. So I'll log out and log in as a seller so we can see how the seller's profile being updated affects the product listing on the buyer's end. So we changed the location from Accra to Kaswa. So I'll go back here, go to shop, and when I come down to that specific, in fact, all these products are being posted by one specific seller. So I'll go here, and you can see the location, which used to be Accra, has been changed to Kaswa. And also the review we left using the other account is still here, and we can still write a review because this is another account. So let's add another review. Say another. Okay, so now we have a double review here. One saying good bag, and the other saying another review. So this one saying good bag is from the buyer, and then this one saying Benjamin Asante, which is another review, is from the seller. So we will also go ahead and then show the modes, which is the dark mode and the light mode, which will change when you change your pieces mode, display mode, sorry. So you can see here as well, the pieces display mode has been changed, and we can see it working with the colors and everything. So I'll quickly also demonstrate I'll say the responsiveness of this. So to show how dynamic this is, more user-friendly in terms of mobile view and desktop view, I'm going to use the Safari browser so that we can see things better without having to see the dev tools and stuff like that. Okay, so now we have it open in the Safari browser. So I'll go to developer and I'll go to responsive mode. Now we can see how responsive it is on different types of screens. So we have an iPad mini, iPad Pro, going up and ranking up. So we have an iPhone 8 as well. And you can see on an iPhone 8, we have our shop and then an icon now showing the shop, continue shopping. And also here is a small logo for logout. Then we get to re-log in again. So that's it for the functionality and also for the whole app functionality.
So we are done with the revealing of this site, and me and my group worked on this project, and we were 5 in a group, but unfortunately one person couldn't join us throughout the process, probably join another group. So for this we are for, and the names of the participants will also be added to the final document to be submitted. Thank you.